Good evening once again if you're joining us, if you're locked in on Facebook, if you're locked in on Instagram, shouts out to you. Also the Twitch crew, big up on yourself as well. YouTube. Remember to follow us on YouTube and all platforms. It's at Upnlive Show, straight across the board. If you're an artist, aspiring artist, a DJ, or whatever, you want to get in contact with the program, all you have to do is send us an email. It's upnliveshow@gmail.com.
Or jump in our DMs. We like that to know.
Just the one that jump in our
Jump in
DM.
our
No. Jump in the Upnlive Show's DM. Can't tell when last spoke up on my show.
Of
my
course.
page.
That's right. And if we're here waiting in the wings is a special female, and
queen.
she goes with the name of my parish, my town, which I'm so proud of.
Yeah.
And she's an empress,
Yes.
a queen, so to speak. So
Yeah.
people joining us on the screen this evening is the Rasta Empress. She's not Rasta. I'm sorry.
I am the Rasta Empress. Let me just make this clear. I am.
Ochi Queen is here. Good
Thank
evening to
you.
you. How you doing?
Hello.
Good evening.
Oh, there she
Big up
is.
yourself and welcome
Evening,
to the show.
everybody.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
It's been
How
a
everyone doing on that side?
well. We're good enough. In the studio, kind of toasty, but we're good, man. It's been a long time forwarding. We should have had this conversation for such a long time, but nothing happens before it's time. So we give thanks for the timing,
Of course.
and we're very appreciative that we're
No,
gonna
it's no
be
problem.
having a conversation with you. Yes.
But we start that way, Rasta.
Yes.
The Ochi, talk to me. What go on for that? The Ochi is something there. Can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, the Ochi Queen. Explain to me how that name came about. How did you get the Ochi Queen song?
Well, I'm from Ochi, St. Anne. One time we in the studio over here, you know. Everybody know me as Tanya. But because of Tanya Stevens already out there, I didn't want to get the names confusing, you know?
Yes.
So what best way to represent myself than to let the world where Ochi come from? Ochi is Jamaica, Ochi, yeah.
Which is right. Which part of Ochi you from? Because I'm my place, you know.
I'm from Fern Grove,
Fern
right
Grove?
across the Baptist Church and the high school.
Over Firm Grove.
Yes.
Jaja.
See?
I'm a Fern Grove girl, yeah.
Right, this. Why
You
you
got Fern Grove.
saying? You know, we go to schoolmate, you know, cause me young, but me look old still. No, it ain't good.
Where are you residing now? I'm thinking that you're in Europe somewhere. I'm guessing it's Belgium. Is you still in
Yes.
Belgium?
Yes, I'm in Belgium,
How you find
in
yourself there, sir?
Antwerp City, the Diamond City.
How you find yourself there, sir?
Yeah, man, it's all right. We have a few Jamaicans here, so you know it's very comforting
So why?
having your own around sometimes.
I mean, how did you get there? Why is it by work? Because most people who decided to move overseas from Jamaica don't choose Belgium as a first option.
No, well, actually, I was first in Holland. I was in Amsterdam first.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you know, if you get out some sort out some little thing and get it the right way,
Yeah.
Belgium are the place, you know.
Okay, this is right. And so you're recording artist. You're living in Belgium right now. You're doing dancehall music, right?
Yes, I do.
So tell us about like how you go about, because I'm trying to understand how a reggae dancehall artists cope in a country where the reggae culture and the Jamaican culture is basically little to non-existing. How do you manage operating in that space?
No, well, actually, surprising as it is, reggae music, Jamaica culture itself is very active in Europe. A lot of things what I didn't know in Jamaica, when I'm in Europe, I really learn a lot about dancehall and reggae from a lot of people.
What?
So it's
you
very
got,
active because you have some of the biggest festivals. One of the biggest festivals in Europe, Reggae Gale, is here in Belgium.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's a big festival, big festival. So you touch on that topic. Say you learn certain thing in Europe where you didn't know in Jamaica about reggae dancehall music. So could you elaborate on that for us, please?
Well, being from a Christian family, you know, a lot of things weren't exposed to us at home.
Yeah.
So, like being in Ochi, I remember growing up, I used to hear Jacoby. They used to have the dance and stuff,
Yeah.
but yeah, of
James
course,
Avenue.
we weren't allowed to go there.
Yeah.
So we would hear like the music. I would ask, what is that? They tell us, yeah, some people don't let them make some noise or whatever. But coming to Europe, you get to watch even the video cassettes of those parties, seeing Sister Nancy and, you know, yeah, you learn them things in them kind of sense, yeah.
Okay, so you come Europe, do your research on home, basically. Because I know that our culture, especially in Europe, is very well documented and preserved. So
yes,
you get a little education. I've been to Germany and Belgium before, and I experienced like the vibes there. I've been Amsterdam, Rotterdam, all those places before. I've been a few festivals over there, and I realized they're very in tune to our culture. I would say even more than
us.
England. England in a sense in terms of the reggae one drop side of it, because more likely England is the younger descendant of the four parents of the first Jamaican who come here to England to settle.
Yes, I was the
So
first
we are the we are called the young jiggy race. So we are the fast lane. So we are more in tune to dancehall. But in terms of dancehall and the style of things, I think it's more hardcore, authentic here than there anyway.
You know, England, that's where most Jamaicans in Europe, it's in England. So, you know, it's going to be in England a faster lane. However, you have the younger generation in Europe, what gravitates so much to dancehall, where they even go to Jamaica to learn a lot more about the dancehall culture, and then come back to Europe to bring what they learned from Jamaica. So, you know, we learn from here and they go there and learn the authenticness of it.
So Ochi Queen, how you manage to stay relevant in Europe, in Belgium? Because me I worry and concerned, you know. Because I know I listen to your music, especially No Stiffness. I tell the girl them to free up themselves.
Yeah.
So I understand the concept of your music and how you like the energetic music. I'm just kind of like concerned about being where you are.
And
especially
the language barrier.
Exactly.
The language barrier. How do they
you manage to
understand your music over there, singing hardcore, raw Jamaican lyrics, dancehall?
And funny as it is, like when they're talking to you, them a come wagwan, mama, they learn it all. And I do speak the language as well, so
you can speak it.
You're bilingual. Of course, she has to be speaking it if she's living there. What
no. Nederlands, ik spreek het wel.
Hey!
I said yes, I speak Dutch. I can speak it.
Deutsch.
You just embarrassed.
No, we are represent Theo.
Yes,
Watch upon the block.
I like that.
You see your Rasta
like
wiki a while ago, so you can't live there and speak the language. You know how long me live over here, I speak no English.
Listen, let us not even get into that. Make we not get into that. So as per usual, everybody has gone through 2020, and I mean everyone has their different experiences. And you're an artist who obviously whose country has been affected by COVID-19. Tell us, how is it that you preserved your mental health during that difficult time?
Staying connected to my family as long as you have Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
You know
That's true.
I mean?
That's what they
Stay
call it.
Stay connected to your family. Try to be creative. Yeah, I'm like an indoor person, so it never really affect me that much.
Right.
Only going on the road, pushing my music, of course, because a lot of shows have been postponed.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, you have to make yourself happy regardless, pandemic or not.
Right. And
so you have to be your own cheerleader in a time like this.
And in regards to your career as a musician, I mean, how did that make an impact for you?
Yeah, it makes you get to connect more with your fan base, because obviously you can't go outside to do much.
So you have to be on the social media.
Yeah, get more connected to your fan base, get more connected to the DJs out there who didn't know Ochi. You try your best to make them know you.
Right.
You know what I mean? Building a family and a relationship with them.
Right.
So things like that, I use that to go through all of this time.
Okay, and then
And of course,
uh-huh.
recording.
Right. So
You know,
that
this
is
the big bad song,
that
hot
is
song.
that is where we wanted to head. So so we see some collaborations forwarding out, and we're seeing that you're going to be doing a debut EP later on in September of this year.
Yes, that's true.
Any of those are what you sent to us earlier? Any tracks?
Um,
Any of the three?
yes. I think I don't know if you already got waiting.
Yeah.
Yes.
That dropped a couple days ago.
Yeah.
Yes.
But I think you have. I sent you the track. Like you from with Chama Junior.
Yes.
The song waiting
So-
of me, I think, because big up my friend Oscar 10
Yeah,
Star.
big up 10 star.
Yeah,
Anyway,
the song, when me hear it first, because I know Oscar as a virgin,
Mm-hmm.
and me hear the song, I say, wait, Oscar find wife. Because some things you are going in that song, I saw like,
Yeah.
we'll go down that lane there.
We're gonna
What's
No,
the
I don't mean it. No.
What's the connection between you and 10
Just
Star?
lyrically, just lyrically.
Yeah, because he's super supportive of your music. And what's the connection between you and 10 Star?
Well, to be honest, I met 10 Star a few years ago when he came here in Belgium to Reggae Gale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So presenting my product, what I have.
Yeah.
He felt the energy, he believed in my talent.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, it's support from them. He went to Africa, I see he's on interviews there, he's letting them know about Ochi Queen.
Yeah.
They're playing my songs there. You know what I mean? So you don't know. We work with who work with we.
Natural
Who
support.
believe in us, yeah, we run with them.
Definitely.
So how did the recording go? Because I'm imagining that Oscar is here in and you're in Belgium. Was it because it sounded
Well,
like you were?
I did my part here in Belgium and he did his part in London.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, good connection. I like the song. I like the energy.
Thank
it's
you.
It's quite of a new direction for you as an artist. For me, listening to the content of the song, and
So-
then for Oscar as well is the same thing. Dragon, you said.
So she just politician out the question there a while ago as well. What's the connection with you and Oscar? Is he your mentor, your friend? What kind of connection are going? Cause we realize like
I'm a big brother musically. So
Okay.
if my head hurt me musically, I run to get some remedy.
yeah, because
Okay.
because we know the support is been very strong
Right.
from Oscar and you. Likewise, you two of you guys are.
Dragon
looking out
wants
for
to
each other.
for answering your milk. That's
No,
all.
what kind of answer milk? We just I try get the connection because
Well, me and Aston have nothing but musically. So no matter the concept.
yes, you mix up.
You
you
just-
know.
Actually, the idea came because of
Me
the
never
pandemic and the
Yeah.
corona situation. A lot of people waiting for the
Yeah.
borders them open to get some real loving. It's just like that.
Okay. Oh, are you attacking business? You know?
Yes.
You see, I know me say it, you know. Ochi Queen, are you say? We ask her, wait, the bar open up.
Why?
Are you say it, you know?
Waiting. I'm just saying.
You say enough people, so me
and
just
the
ask
idea
now.
came from such.
Okay. Cause
Would I be stupid or they're gonna pull me out?
me don't know how you say it like say people are waiting for bar won't forget loving. Now what happened?
Yes, but of course. I mean, enough people want to cross it. I
Oh,
can't
so-
cross
so-
it.
so-
Yeah,
so-
wait, but I'm not asking me. I wait.
Oh,
man.
so your lover is in abroad. Jesus Christ, trouble.
Like it. Of course. Definitely. So
Far away.
you still remain keeping the mantra of Ochi Queen. Are you going to be keeping the name moving forward? Because I was thinking that the Ochi Queen name was just for a phase for you, but it seems like
No,
it's...
man, I'm proud of my city. I'm proud of my Paris Saint Anne. I'm proud of my city, so that name will definitely keep him.
Okay, and the EP you said that is going to be out in September. Do you have a name for it?
No, well, I'm not finished with a lot of things, so I'm still considering the name. I feel I have a name, but I don't think that's the right name. Knowing what I'm coming with.
Yeah. I think the Ochi Queen name suit you, and I think you should try to do some work with some of the prominent artists from Ochi race, like the Javelin, etc.
Yeah.
The Progress. Some of these artists they fall from Ochi race.
Well, you know, nothing never happened before it's time. So fingers crossed, and we're still pushing until that time comes.
Yeah.
When you're going back to Jamaica?
When the road
When
open.
when everything open up.
Yeah.
All right, know yourself.
Can't
I like
jump the
that.
gun.
And we can't really have you to do the normal freestyle because obviously you're not in studio.
But she can give you a hashapella.
Akashela.
Hakashella.
Because people is listening. So just give us a little snippet of what's to come, or you can give a piece of the waiting because we're there waiting for it.
Yeah. Got a song there hot.
I've been waiting for your love, waiting for your love. No one sit on fire again. Can't deny my true intentions. Waiting for your love. Baby, me waiting for your love. You don't know, I want to sit down for enough things.
You
Yeah.
see, Oscar, me, she talking to you here.
So that me I tell you. So we ask that now. If you sing this a song, you know, waiting, we just leave over think where you wait pan or who you wait
She's
pan.
waiting for the man's love, brother. She wants to sit down on the man's things.
Yeah.
Wait for the king to come.
Yeah.
Whole heap of things over here.
Whole heap of things over there. Right?
We just we're grateful for you shining the dancer reggae flag.
Thank you.
Especially
and
from
I
where
thank
you are.
Dancehall for accepting me as well.
Yeah.
Of course, especially where you are in Belgium. I always want to come to Belgium because I like the scenery. Sometimes I see there's a lot of open space. You know, I'm a countryman. I like bush.
You want Lego.
Yeah,
It's nice over here, man.
Yeah,
You need to come, you know?
exactly.
You'll enjoy.
Boy, you're wicked.
You want Lego.
From I left my little district when I come out foreign, I don't want to see no more bush area.
No, man,
I don't want to see no more bush. I'm tired, I
like countryside, man.
Ochi Queen, thank you ever so much for talking to us. But before you leave, can you just give us some social media details, please, so people can, forward over your side and jump in on your DMs and beer things?
Yes, you can follow me on I am Ochi Queen official for Instagram and Ochi Queen for YouTube.
Right. So we need to go over to your page,
Ochi Queen,
like,
right,
follow, share, subscribe, and support, right?
Yeah, and the latest thing they have out is I'm waiting with Oscar Tesca and
another one. She has an Afrobeats one, but go up on our YouTube channel and get the rest of the information, right?
Yeah, man. In a life sometime. You know?
Right. There we go.
In
Thank you.
a life sometime. You have to be like Jack and have all of the trains in line. Out there on the grind. Food pan table. Have to work and sweat for what's man. Yeah.
Yeah, right. This
Double
so.
the hustle, you know?
Right. This so.
Thank you very much for joining us this evening, Ochi Queen, and it's a pleasure
Thank
talking to you.
you
The
for
first-
having me. Much
Yeah.
love. It's my pleasure.
No problem, Queen.
course.
Take care
I've
of
been
yourself.
waiting so long. Now I'm glad back, boss.
Yes.
And
Finally.
keep flying a flag. Come up with your flag
Yes.
and show your colors. Yes.
I'm representing. You don't know. We're here raising the flag proudly, so you don't know.
No
Of
problem,
course.
Queen. Take care of yourself and we'll be in touch soon, yeah?
Okay.
Thank
bless
you. Have
All of
yourself
this.
a blessed night.
You too. Thank you
More
very
things
much.
now.
See.
Blessed
Love
Ochi
and
Queen.
respect.
Yeah, man, I
Yeah.
love our energy. You know what? It's right, because you know what? I like people that are cheer for my community. So big up my town friend them. What man? I say, Ochi somebody a rep. Who name Kingston Queen, boy? Yeah.
Alright.
Ochi have a queen.
No, Uncle Queen, me know from Kingston, I call in and she turned Christian.